11 high-paying work-from-home jobs in India in 2021. The traditional 9-to-5 workday is being abandoned by many individuals, and concurrently, the gig economy is unquestionably seeing unprecedented growth. The issue is no longer whether or not to carry out the action. The focus has appropriately switched to which tasks can be done from home in India and which ones are the finest. Hence, the reason for this post. The power of the internet is far more than what any of us could ever fathom on a collective level. There is the internet, which may provide you with resources to learn new things and advance your skills, and there are social media platforms, which can help you advertise yourself as an expert in a certain sector. And then, there's the internet, which you can use to search for employment that is a good match for you. Your level of effort will determine how much money you make from some of the greatest work-from-home jobs in India. You are aware of the proper direction for your attention to be directed, given that it is proportional to your ability. 1. Content writer. Writing and other forms of content production have earned their spot as some of India's most lucrative work-from-home opportunities. The simple explanation for this phenomenon is that the task's difficulty level has increased. People will pick a company's brand because of the content that the company provides. Hence, businesses need to educate, enlighten, or amuse their target audiences. You may be quite certain that there would not be a scarcity of work-from-home choices available in the sector in India. In India, a novice may anticipate earning between 15,000 and 20,000 rupees. A helpful advice is to consistently focus on improving your writing talents. Choose tasks that would provide you with a good income. Also, do not stop sending pitches for your work to the most prominent magazines in the nation. 2. Social media manager/digital marketing specialist. When it comes to the greatest jobs that can be done from home in India, this one is the most apparent option. Digital marketers are responsible for establishing and extending the presence of a business online by doing various tasks, including search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, mobile marketing, and social media marketing. It is anticipated that a social media manager will execute campaigns on the platform, promote the material, regulate the content uploaded in any format, research statistics, and strive to grow the reach of the business. In India, a novice may anticipate spending between 20 and 40,000. You may catapult your career to new heights by gaining experience in the field, building a robust portfolio that showcases your work, and collaborating with businesses that resonate with you. 3. Website developer. If you sought the greatest work-from-home jobs in India in 2020, you simply could not afford to ignore this opportunity. Website developers are essential to the success of brands because they create websites that attract users and educate and amuse them. You need to have a working knowledge of CSS/HTML, the fundamentals of coding and markup language, JavaScript, SEO, and Photoshop. The monthly earnings might be anywhere from 10,000 to 1,000,000 rupees. This is completely dependent on your ability level and the size of the project that you can bag. A piece of advice: make your project stand out as possible since each project is a sample for a prospective lead. Increasing your pay rates by becoming more specialized and establishing yourself as an expert is possible. 4. Graphic designer. The following justifies why a graphic designer belongs on the list of the top occupations that can be done from home in India. In the year 2020, marketing will be all about the images. To complement their effective written content, brands need to have appealing visuals, whether in their website, logos, pictures, or designs. And those who specialize in graphic design are professionals in that field. There is a significant potential for financial success in this industry. Those who work their way up to an intermediate level may easily make $35,000 per month, with no limit on their earnings potential. You are also able to take on freelancing work for less significant tasks. A helpful hint is to use social media to demonstrate your expertise to the rest of the world and position yourself as an authority in the relevant sector. Place your bets on websites like Behance and LinkedIn and Dribbble and Instagram. 5. Blogging. I am unable to think of a more lucrative kind of passive income. You should start your own blog if you are interested in a topic, such as cuisine, travel, fitness, fashion, gardening, or even philosophy. The issues you may write about include any of these and more. You are at a point when it is even possible to begin microblogging using Instagram. the quantity that you get is rather impressive. In addition, Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and influencer marketing are the components that contribute to the growth of your revenue. Tip: if you want to make the most money possible from blogging, you should be aware of your short-term and long-term blogging goals. Do you want to increase the number of visitors to your blog or the number of sales you make? 6. Data entry. Although it is sometimes thought to be too simple, the work requires the seamless and effective processing of a significant volume of information. In a nutshell, entering data into a computer system or an encrypted file management system. You may make a respectable amount of money doing work of this kind by charging by the project or by the hour. Because there is no shortage of labor on the market, you will have enough opportunity to increase your income. Utilize freelancing websites as a helpful hint while looking for work. And increase profits as much as possible by improving your accuracy and quickness. 7. Translator. Being a translator allows one to engage in intriguing and rewarding work. You need to be proficient in at least 2 languages to do this. The languages may be anything from English and Hindi to Tamil and Marathi, Bengali, and Malayali, among many more. Opportunities may be discovered from Western and Indian corporations and writers who want their work translated into a certain language. Finding the proper customers is all you have to do to bring in a monthly income of $30,000 in the first few months of your business. 8. Online tutor. The use of the internet comes with a wide range of advantages, one of which is the availability of accessible and low-cost educational opportunities. Online tutors are the ones responsible for making this possibility a reality. The level of control that a teacher has developed may result in a salary of up to $30,000 and even more. You may make $20 an hour coaching any topic for companies like Chegg, who have created a name for themselves as leaders in online tutoring. Find reputable sources of information and apply what you learn from those sources to recognized online educational forums. Make an effort to enhance your demand via intellectual labor. 9. Entrepreneurial businessman. When we speak about the top work-from-home jobs available in India, we can't overlook the opportunity to work as a freelance business developer. The primary objective of the job is to achieve an increase in sales of the product or service associated with a particular brand. If you can achieve it as an individual contributor, this job will definitely provide you with fascinating work and a good salary. You should have no trouble earning between $25,000 and $30,000 in the first few days of the game. The goal is to collaborate with companies that value the partnership and are ready to work for the expansion of both parties' businesses. 10. Travel agent. Freelance travel agents can do a wide variety of bookings for their customers, including airline tickets, travel packages, train and bus tickets, hotel reservations, and more. The best travel firms are constantly looking for competent people who will be able to sell their various vacation packages. This is a terrific business opportunity that also provides additional perks, such as free family trips and discounts on Christmas shopping. 11. HR recruiter. A human workforce is always going to be necessary for a company to collaborate with. This means that there will continue to be a need for HR recruiters. Your responsibilities as a freelance human resources recruiter will include sourcing people online, screening CVs, conducting interviews, updating job listings, and managing background checks. You should have no trouble making a respectable income after you reach roughly $22,000 in total earnings.